In this video, we are going to see Unit 2. The topic of Unit 2 is Sports. Lesson 1. The title of the lesson is The Strength in His Weakness. Let us move into the lesson. In this video, we are going to see part 1 of the lesson. Akilan was an active and energetic boy. He liked sports as much as studies. They were like his eyes. How could he choose one over the other? He had a passion for sports. So he spent most of his evenings in the playground. He also remembered his father's words, learn well, live well. So Akilan used to spend his mornings on studies. His physical education teacher was his inspiration. The teacher was good at judo. His passion for learning judo grew every day. He was afraid that his interest in judo would upset his parents. Finally, one day, Agilan told his parents about his passion for judo and also showed the medals he won in sports. His parents were astonished on seeing the medals and certificates that he won in school. So let us see the meaning of the paragraph. Agilan was a small boy, but he was very active and energetic boy, not a lazy boy. How he likes to study, like that he likes to play sports. Both studies and sports were like his eyes. How many eyes we have? We have 2 eyes. We need 2 eyes to see. Like Agilan treated his studies and sports were like his eyes. So he could not choose one over the other. Passion means strong emotion or desire. He liked sports, so most of the evenings he played in the playground. Even though he liked to play sports, he always remembered his father's words. What was his father's words? Learn well, live well. His father always said, learn well, live well. What is the meaning of that word? If we learn well, we can live a good life, because if we study, we can get a good job. So his father always will say, learn well, live well. So Akilan always remembered that word. So every day morning he spent his time to study, because our mind is fresh in the morning. So here Agilan always remembered his father's words and he studied every day morning. His PT teacher was his role model to him to play sports. The PT master was good at judo. Because of his PT master, his passion means interest or desire to learn judo increased day by day. But he was scared of his parents, whether they will encourage him or not, or will they allow him to learn judo or not. But one day he told his parents about his desire for judo, and he showed the medals he won in sports. After seeing the medals and certificates that he won in school, his parents were shocked. Shall we move to the next paragraph? After a few months, in an accident, Akilan lost his left hand. The day onwards, he did not go out of house often. He used to sit in a corner. His parents were keen to fulfill their son's passion. His father saw an advertisement of a judo school that he came across in a newspaper. Akilan saw the advertisement. His passion for judo energized him. He asked his father if he could join the school. His father, with tears of joy, got him admitted in the judo school. Akilan was very excited on his first day in judo school. His master was the best judo teacher in the town. His master trained him the basics before teaching the advanced skill. So let us see the meaning of the paragraph. After a few months later, Akilan met an accident. What happened in that accident? Unfortunately, he lost his left hand. After that accident, he did not go out of house often. He spent his time in a corner of a house. Previously, he spent his evening time in the playground to play sports. But now he was very sad. Why? Because he lost his one hand. So he did not go often outside. But his parents decided to fulfill his passion. What is his passion? To learn judo. One day, his father noticed an advertisement in the newspaper about the judo school. He showed the advertisement to Agilan. After seeing the advertisement, his passion for judo energized him. Agilan asked his father if he could join the school. His father cried with joy. He admitted Agilan in the judo school. So Agilan was very happy on his first day in judo school. The judo master was the best judo teacher in the town. The judo master taught him the basics before teaching the advanced skills. Okay, children? After what happened, we will see in part 2. Till that, listen this video and understand the story. In part 2, we will see without one hand how Agilan learned judo and how he got medal in the competition. Okay, children, I hope you understand the part 1 of the video. We will see part 2 next class. Okay, children, thank you. Bye.